In this video, I'm going to tell you what is the mind, what are its two main functions, and how you can use it effectively in 3 simple, easy steps. Your mind is an extremely powerful tool you have at your disposal. But remember, you are not your mind. You are that which is using it. That is important, it's fundamental, because otherwise your mind would take you places you may not want to go. And that happens every time you don't feel good emotionally. That happens when people are depressed. Their minds take them to places they wish they weren't going. Regard the mind as being a dog to which, if you want it to do something that you choose, for example, getting the stick back to you, you have to throw the stick and then the dog is gonna bring it back to you. But unless you do that, the dog would just probably run around randomly. That's how you use your mind. You choose intentionally where you want it to be directed. Now, the mind does very well, perfectly, 2 things. It solves problems and it reaches goals. Again, you have to give it something to do. So to use your mind effectively, I'll tell you now the 3 major basic points that I find extremely useful. Number 1, ask yourself, what do I want to do in life? You may know the answer, you may not know the answer. It doesn't matter. Just formulate the question. If you don't know what you want to do in life, ask yourself, what do I want now? And what you want now, it could be solving a problem, to get over your depression, or improve your relationships, or move house, change job, whatever it is. Ask yourself, what do I want to do now? When you know what you want to do, number 2, ask yourself, why do I want to do that? This is fundamental because you have to be clear about the motivations. You have to do something. You want to know if your motivation is strong and powerful and logical enough for your mind to get you there. And then number 3, ask yourself, how do I do that? How do I reach my goal? Here again, be patient. You may not know the steps needed to get you where you want, like getting over your depression, better your relationship, or change job, or become whatever you wish to become in life. Life will show you the answers. And then, when you know what is required from you, act and manifest what you wish to achieve. As always, try it. Do it. You won't know it until you try it. If you haven't done it yet, I invite you to subscribe to the channel. And if you like the video, why not leaving a like, sharing it? And if you like, you can leave a comment.